Today we are working on the Toyota RAV4, and specifically we're going to be doing this tail light. So this is a 2020 model. This will work on 2019 up to 2022, but we're going to pull this whole tail light out. This is how to replace this whole tail light. I'll have links in the description for the left and right side. When you get this new, it does have the bulbs installed, so you just plug and play. So let's pull this off and put a new one on. So I've already replaced this one. We had a big crack, bumped somebody in a parking lot. So this is what the new one looks like, but this is super simple to do here. First, we're going to start with this protective cover. Just pull back. Don't yank super hard. Pull back evenly. As I was pulling up, I fit my fingers under here so we don't crack this plastic, but that comes off there. Then we grab a 10mm socket here. We go turn these guys. They're not super tight. We're going to remove those bolts and then move on to the next spot. So I've gotten these two bolts out. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the light off. And what you want to do is get a good grip here. You don't want to tug too much on this plastic part, but boom. I gave it a little wiggle. You don't want to pull out this way because you got a little plug here and a plug here that hook together. So now we're gonna undo all of these lights. You can undo all these and throw your new fixture on. So right here we got these tabs on the LED tail lights. Depress this and pull back. They are firm. So got that. Then we turn this counterclockwise to release the bulb. You can replace the harness if you need to, but if you don't, you can just replace this. The new one comes with these bulbs already in it, and then this should just fit right in. Shouldn't be an issue. But this whole piece has come off. Then you grab your new one, and this guy fits in there. Show you here. And turn that clockwise till it pops in place. If you want to label these to make sure you get them in the right place, but it looks like they are idiot proof here. So these are two different shapes, so you can't plug them into the wrong thing. There and there. Then we're going to go here, make sure our harness fits down in the well. We'll line this up, and I'm going to line it up away from the vehicle and then start pushing in and make sure our tab back here is lined up. Then, let's see, something's not quite right. There we go. Yeah, so I had something catching down here, and that's why we gently push when we start this process. There we go. So yep, just give it a good firm push here. That goes in. Now we're going to throw our two bolts back on here. When we're doing this, we don't need to make these super, super tight. It will crack the plastic, but they do need to be snug. So I'd recommend once you get these tight, about a quarter turn feels good. I'm sure that there is a proper torque spec, which you can look up, but just don't crank on these. They don't need it. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go from vertical here and, oh, there we go. Okay, boom. That's about it. I'm getting some good resistance. I'm not cranking on this hard. And boom, right about there. That was good. That's it. That's how you replace a tail light. I'm going to throw our last thing on. These guys fit into these three slots. So that lines up, and we are replaced. If this is helpful, leave a comment, thumbs up. I'll put a link to the turn signal bulb and this whole fixture in the description, and we'll see you next time.